Calculate the width of your figure and then fold your strip of paper into an accordion. Here is my accordion fold. I like using patterned paper, but on the plain side, I've already drawn my figure in half, and we're cutting a symmetrical figure. When you begin to cut and when you draw your figure, it's really important to make sure that you don't cut anything on either edge. Otherwise, you'll just have dancing figures and not a garland. And my favorite part of the exercise is opening them up